Hello and welcome back to CyberGuardian 360. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that often causes a lot of confusion. What's the difference between information security, IT security, and cybersecurity? Whether you're a tech professional, a student, or just someone interested in keeping your digital life secure, understanding these terms is crucial. So, let's get started. First up, information security, or InfoSec. This is the big umbrella covering all efforts to protect sensitive data. InfoSec isn't just about digital data. It covers everything from your hard drive to the paper documents in your office. It's all about maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Examples include data encryption, which keeps your files unreadable to unauthorized eyes, and access control policies ensuring only the right people can access certain information. And let's not forget about employee training and data privacy policies crucial for compliance with laws like GDPR or HIPAA. Now, let's narrow down to IT security. This is specifically about protecting digital information and the systems that handle it. Think firewalls to guard your network, antivirus software to block malware, and intrusion detection systems to alert you of any suspicious activity. Its security also involves keeping your systems up to date with the latest security patches. It's a never-ending race against potential vulnerabilities. Finally, we have cybersecurity. This field is often used interchangeably with IT security, but it has a broader scope. Cybersecurity focuses on protecting your data and systems in the cyber realm, especially from external threats. This includes everything from phishing attack prevention to network security monitoring. In cybersecurity, we also talk about incident response planning and penetration testing. And let's not forget the importance of two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. So, there you have it. Information security, IT security, and cybersecurity similar, but each with its unique focus. Remember, in our digital world, staying informed is your first line of defense. For more insights and tips, make sure to subscribe to CyberGuardian 360. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and secure out there.